7 protected outlets, 2 rapid charging USB ports. 1500 joules. 1 adapter spaced outlet. Ideal for smartphones, tablets, e-readers, more. Twist to lock safety covers. Protect your electronics and charge your portable devices at the same time using the 7-outlet advanced surge protector with 2 USB ports from GE. Ideal for smartphones, tablets, e-readers and more. The surge protector features a 2.1A power supply for rapid charging of all your USB devices. Twist to lock safety covers cover any unused outlets, and there's 1 adapter spaced outlet to accommodate those bulky power adapters. And the keyhole slots on the surge protector and its slim profile make it easy to mount on a wall behind a flat-screen TV. Top reviews from the United States. This one works much better and I no longer have an issue with short. Bought this to replace one that kept shorting out in the same location. This one works much better and I no longer have an issue with short outs at random. Love having the USB drive on there.